Hey guys, it's Joanne and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. So, I need to pack my stuff that I would like to use while we are away on a trip to Anaheim. So, I know I need to be practical because I don't even know if I'll have time to journal and plan. And I've already pre-planned a bunch of stuff. So it's mostly going to be journaling supplies. So I think for sure I'm bringing my A5 Hobonichi Cousin. I will bring my Kinbor Weekly because I still do the daily doodle. And I'm going to bring my A6 Techo. So let's set that aside right here. Let me move things around. The other thing that I really need to bring is my ruler, possibly two. What else do we need to bring? I need to bring my pen, and I need to bring a backup because this one did feel like it was running out of ink. We don't want to run out of ink when we are trying to journal. So I'll put that right here. We need to bring scissors, because you always need scissors. I don't know where I have the sheath for the scissor. It's been a while, so I need scissors. I need correction tape. Oh no, Jonah, oops, Luke made me this flower for Grandparents' Day. Or he made this with our friend, but there's really no way to preserve. I don't know why it's falling apart. I had it displayed, but I should probably put it aside here. Okay, need this correction tape. Okay, we need a pencil, just in case. We need eraser. Okay, I need my Fudenosuke pen because it's for big titles. I'll put this aside here. This is the basic things that we need. I need my tweezer for stickers if we need it. I don't know where I have the protection sheet. I don't see it here, but I'll put that aside here. Now, the extra stuff. Let's see. What do we need? We need... we have to be practical, guys. Practicality is important. How many days do I need to journal? Probably 4 or 5 days. How many days will I need to decorate at the same time? Or can it wait till we get home? Let's see. Let's start with washi because I always start my pages with washi. I got these little washi rings from Amazon. I have a big one, but I think a big one might be too much. And I don't know if I'll bring all three. So let's choose the washi that we are going to use first. I don't know what this is called, but it's like not a hinge, but I guess this part's a hinge, but this one's like a roller thing to close it. So let's see. I want to be practical, and that's the word of the day. Let's do some neutrals. Let's bring a gray and a black, or the gray, the white, and the black of these grids. Because let's face it, there are some that I probably won't reach for if I was away. Let's see. I think that's good enough. Anything else I could probably just add when we get home. Then we are gonna, what are we doing this weekend? We're doing a tour. We are eating with friends or probably by ourselves, who knows? We are maybe having breakfast. So maybe I'll bring a breakfast one from the Coffee Monsters Co. We will do some shopping. This one's from the Coffee Monsters Co. It's super cute. Let's see. This one is errands, I think. Yeah, this one's like chores. No, we're not going to do that one. Maybe we'll do coffee. That's a cute one. We are traveling. Hopefully there's no traffic, but I'll bring this little traffic one. And these cute ones here. This cloud one. Okay, I think that's it for this drawer. Yeah, we'll sit for this drawer. We are gonna bring just the plain one. I feel like I'll make, if whatever I bring, I'll make use of. This one. And nothing else from that drawer. Nothing else is speaking to me. And then we're gonna bring maybe this one. I feel like I'm always going for the same one. This is cute too. That's kind of my daughter's cheer colors. So I'll bring just these. I don't think I need to bring anything else, really. So let's seal that up, or let's secure those. So in terms of washi tapes, I think that's good enough. We don't need to bring the whole kit and caboodle. Is that the word? Is that the saying I'm supposed to say? So we'll set that aside. And now let's think about the stickers. So I have this sticker book that I had. Sometimes I like filling my pages with just stickers, like from here. I have some pet tapes, I have some washi tapes, and this is kind of a good one to have, just so that I have a variety of options. This one I don't understand. The cat is her boyfriend. What? I don't understand. I forgot it's Jing Jing on a cloud, Jin Jin on a cloud. No, this is Gigi on the cloud. I don't remember what that one was called, but I'm like, what? So I have a variety of pet tapes and washi tapes here, so I'll bring these. And I got them in a variety of sources, so yes, on these, we should focus on, do I use some stickers? I already planned my week, so I really don't need to add stickers. So I don't need to bring my planner stickers, I don't think. I need to bring markers for sure. And there's some that I gravitate towards. Some neutrals and grays, pinks. I don't need to bring everybody. Just need to bring enough. And I gravitate towards the greens. It's really weird. I don't know. I just noticed that about myself. And let's do one of these. I don't have a good green though for her school color. Really weird. Even though I could gravitate toward the green. So let's bring just these. I think these will be good enough. They're neutral enough. They kind of match what I've brought. Let me bring one more yellow. There. Okay, we'll bring these. Let's see. For my dot markers, let's be real, I don't use them as often, so I don't need to bring all the colors. I will bring maybe this green. Where's that gray that I do use a lot? How come I can't find it? That's not it. There's a gray that I use. Oh, there. Okay, we'll just bring this. A brown maybe. Lavender. We don't need to bring everybody. I'll just bring these. just bring 4. It's not crazy. We'll bring, you know what I've been doing? I've been doodling, and I like these this Copic marker set because of the different widths of the tips. So maybe we'll bring that. Will I bring stamps? That is a good question because I don't know if I'll even stamp. It's messy. Have I stamped in the last like 5 layouts? No. Will I stamp is the question. I don't think I will. So it's less bulk. Like, because let's be honest, I don't know if I'll even have time to journal. So I think maybe this might be it. Do I bring a paper trimmer? I don't think I need one because if you have a scissor, you don't need a paper trimmer. So this is my process. I don't think I'll need stamps because you saw my struggles with the Hobonichi and stamping anyway, so why travel far from home and bring stamps? I think this is probably what I'll bring on the cruise. Like, to be honest, I don't need a lot. So let's use this bag. I have other bags that I could use, but let's see how this is gonna work. I got this Toby Q travel bag. It's for makeup. I got it because I was recommended by a scrappy friend. Hi, Shirley and Jess. Shirley's the one that had this, and I was like, oh, it fits a lot. So let's try to fit everything, but it's a makeup case. So let's see if it's something that would work for me. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. We'll put the markers in here in the center. Put the Tombos first. Will they fit? Yes. Okay. So Tombos will go in here. Okay, that's one spot. We'll put the mild liners or the actual Zig Clean Color markers in here, along with my pens, pencil, and the Funosuke pen. It's falling. Gotta pick it up with my toe because it fell on the floor. Gotta pick it up with my toe. Actually, I can't because I'm wearing socks. Okay. So that goes there, and then I'll put I'm so annoyed I can't find the little sheath for the tip of this. I don't want it to make a hole, but okay, I'll put that there. Now, we will put right out here, or the correction tape here. I don't think I'll need duck adhesive, but we can put that here. Look at that. You could put makeup brushes here, but you can also put pens. So that's neat. I'll put my rulers in the center. And put the Copics here. What else do I need, guys? I can't think. I mean, those are my most reached for. I'll bring this too. I'll bring this Sarasa pen. God, my stomach is growling. And then I'll bring, I don't think I'll need a white marker, a white gel pen. But I'm gonna add this here. It fits pretty good. I'll put the scissors with the ruler in the center. Nice, okay. And then I'll put, does this fit? Okay, the stickers fit. That's good. And then I'll put, well, these will be out, but they fit pretty nicely. I don't think I'm tempted to bring my stamps because they should fit, but do I need them? Probably not. I don't know. I don't think I do. But I want to bring because they'll fit. Okay, these washi tapes can fit. Look at that. How good is that? Let's see. Ooh, okay. And I think we're good. Look at that. If I think of anything else, but I could probably still fit like stamps. I could fit some blocks. I could fit some inks if I wanted to. But I don't need to. Let's add some mild liners. Did you guys get a hold of the new mild liners? The ones that are what do you call it? The ones that just released. I'll bring some neutral ones. Yeah, I'm kind of jealous. I didn't even know about these mild liners, to be honest. Like, I think it's cool that they released them. Let's put them here. But I didn't know about them, and now they're sold out everywhere. So sad for me for not paying attention. Oh, I like that. Okay, let's put, I'll probably bring my neutral dots. I don't know why my other one got smashed so bad. They're not that round. But I can bring that. Who loves a good dot? Look at that. I think that came out super cute. So I have my Zero Base 1 keychain. I would like to add, I don't think I need to. It's already padded. But I was going to add some pins to this. But look at that. It's so, it holds a lot because you've got space on the outside too. And I still have this pocket that I don't have. So this is the brand. If you guys happen to be interested. But I think this planner bag really works. So I have that. I have my stickers. Let's see. Do I have more stickers? I might add more stickers to this so I can bring some. But let's see if I need to. That was January. How cute is that? But yeah, I can add that here. Super simple and really easy to use. I'll do that. Yeah, so it'll zip like this. And voila. Look, so I have this and just this bag. How perfect. At least for just a 4-day trip out of town, I think it's a perfect little bag. And I'll put this in my backpack with my iPad and chargers. This will sit with me and come with me when I travel. It's not the cutest, and this is like, I think it comes in other colors, but this is the one that spoke to me. I think Shirley has the same one. And then I did have these little pouches, but I like having everything in one place. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video on how I'm packing for this 4-day trip. I might do another, if you guys like this, I might do another packing video if anything changes when I go on my Golden Girls cruise. But otherwise, I think this is pretty much it. I think I'm set for this little 4-day trip that Carl and I are taking. So if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And thanks so much for watching today, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.